Hey guys, Ozzy here from Tech Bloom, and today we're going to be talking about the iPhone 8 Plus, but not just any iPhone 8 Plus. We're going to be talking about the Red Edition. So let's get right into it. Now the Red Edition is very unique because, well, it's red. Just like last time, all of the footage that you are going to see today is from the AT&T store in Baraboo where I work. So the iPhone 8 Plus is just like any other iPhone 8 Plus, except it's red, and when you see me take it out of the box here, that is just a deep red. Much more red than last year's iPhone 7 Plus product Red Edition. That one was more of a matte finish, but now that we have the glass on the back, it's much more prominent. That color is much more saturated, it pops a lot more. And we got the black screen on the front this year instead of the white like last year. A lot of people didn't really like the white front. I personally did like it, but the black on red looks really nice too. Now everything else you're going to get in the box is going to be just like your normal Apple stuff. You're going to get your 5-watt power brick. You're going to get your USB lightning cable. This particular model doesn't actually have the headphones with it, or the lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. That's because this is actually a demo unit that we have set up in the store. I'm actually just unboxing it for the first time. So if you actually want to see the phone in person, come to the store. Now, like I said, this is just like any other iPhone, so you're going to get your dual cameras on the back. You're going to get your lightning port for charging and also listening to music if you choose to go the wired route. I prefer to go wireless. You're going to have your mute switch, your lock and power key, your home button, which is still a virtual home button, so it's a simulated click done by a vibration motor in the phone. It doesn't actually have a button. And as always, iPhone 8 Plus takes fantastic photos. But the biggest difference between this phone and all the other phones is that when you buy a product Red Edition iPhone 8 Plus, there's also the normal 8, the smaller size of the iPhone. When you buy this phone, a portion of the total cost actually gets donated to charity. I'll have a link to where it's actually donated to down in the description, so you guys can take a look at that if you want. Well, I know this is short, but that's going to be it for today, guys. If you guys notice, I do have a lot better audio now. That's because I got a new microphone. It is the Blue Snowball Ice, probably the best budget microphone that you can buy. So just needed to jump in my audio quality because the only audio I was actually recording was the microphone on my phone. So now I have this, so the audio quality should be much better from now on. As always, tell me if you didn't like it. Please tell me how I can do better. Subscribe if you liked it. And we'll see you guys next time.